The rare individual who unselfishly tries to serve others has an enormous advantage. Arouse in the other person an eager want. He who can do this has the whole world with him. Success in dealing with people depends on a sympathetic grasp of the other person's viewpoint. A person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Remember a name and call it easily, and you have paid a subtle and very effective compliment. 3/4 of the people you will meet are hungering for sympathy. Give it to them and they will love you. Every successful person loves the game. The chance to prove his worth, to excel, to win. Happiness doesn't depend on any external conditions, it is governed by our mental attitude. One reason why birds and horses are not unhappy is because they are not trying to impress other birds and horses. Ask yourself, what is the worst that can happen? Then prepare to accept it. Then proceed to improve on the worst. All men have fears, but the brave put down their fears and go forward. Talk to someone about themselves and they'll listen for hours. You cannot teach a man anything, you can only help him to find it within himself. Criticism is dangerous because it wounds a person's pride, hurts his sense of importance, and arouses resentment. It raises one above the herd and gives one a feeling of nobility and exaltation to admit one's mistakes. If you want to admire our efforts, then like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay hydrated.